Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an Infiniti G20 key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. In addition, I will go over the estimated cost, type of keys, coding information, and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. Of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you. So, Infiniti G20 has two types of keys. One is a transponder key or chip key, and the other is non-transponder key. Let's go over them. For 2000, 2001 and 2002 we have a transponder key N like Nancy, I like Ignition 02, T like Tom, which needs to be coded on site with a spatial machine. For 99 we have a non-transponder key, D like dog, A like an apple 37. This is a simple metal key, no coding necessary, no security features. And finally, between 91 and 98 we have a key, D like dog, A like an apple 31, which is also a non-transponder key. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different key fobs and transponder keys that looks exactly the same. However, they have a different chip value inside them, and if you get the wrong key, you get the wrong chip. Wrong chip, and you will not be able to start the vehicle. So always remember to provide the locksmith or dealer either the exact year, make and model of your car, or the VIN number and the type of key you had. For example, 2001 Infiniti G20. Now let's go over Infiniti G20 key replacement cost. You have three options to get a key replacement, and the price varies depending on where you get the new key. First, get a key online and then have a locksmith or dealer cut and program it for you. Second, call an automotive locksmith who can come and make you a key and code it on site. And third, tow the car to the dealer. Let's start with a transponder key. You can get it online for about $15, and including cutting and coding the key you should pay about $180. A locksmith should charge you about $200 for on-site service at your location, and the dealer about $300. For the non-transponder keys, the price really depends if the locksmith or dealer can get the key code, which most chances they cannot, as these keys are very old. If this is the case, you may need to contact a mechanic to replace the ignition cylinder. The following is very important to remember. While some keys can be coded without a spatial machine, it is not the case here. Therefore, if you decide to buy a key online, you will have to contact either the locksmith or dealer to do it for you. You cannot do it yourself. Before we continue, a quick word about a spare set. Making an additional key when you already have a working key is much cheaper and faster. Therefore, we highly recommend getting two keys in case you lose all your keys, as the second key should cost less than half. Now, some tips to save you a lot of time and money. First, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very important, as some locksmiths are very busy on a given day and some aren't. Use it for your advantage. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius. So even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Do your research, it will pay off. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can read our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you like this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.